Hi Librans, this is Srividya and I'll be doing your weekly reading. This is a generalized reading, so what whosoever is guided to watch this video, I have asked my angels that they could get benefit from my reading, whatever they are going through that comes here, and they can get hint of what future holds for them. So please, I really request you people to give your energy to my reading so that my guides would catch your energies. And let's begin with your reading. Cards are already shuffled. I'll be cutting the card. And here begins your reading. Let's begin. Present self. Guides, please show me how they are currently feeling as of now. Please show me how legends are currently feeling as of now. Temperance, you are not balanced. My dear friend, you are not balanced and you are not healed from whatever you have suffered. Okay, let me see what is the crossing energy. Why Temperance has come in reverse. Lovers, oh God. This is because of some drastic event that must have happened in your love life, and this is a lover card. Is basically, for me, it's a very beautiful card where both are like uh, uh, true to each other. There is nothing to hide, and angels are supporting you. But you see, there are two angels, but one angel here you see ki this angel is support. This is upright, so this angel in your love life it was supporting you, but now something has happened that things have gone something better. Let's see what's your foundation energy. Please show me the foundation energy. Oh my God, Librans, you have been betrayed by someone and you feel cheated. Someone did this to you. What has happened in the past? And this is the major, this is like foundation energy, and for me your soul wants me to reflect, to tell you that reflect on this, pay more attention to this, that you have been cheated. The past, there has been some truthful conversation, something came to light in the past. Okay, give me the crowning energy. Oh, the Emperor. This is, for me, this is the worst card. One of the worst card, and this shows that someone is very authoritative and misuse of property, and just like misuse of authority. He is just like a Hitler to me. You are being, either you are being this person that I'm not feeling, because you are full of love. You are a very lovely kind of person, and this is your crowning energy. Someone is wanting to have authority over you. The future that will come to pass. Please show me the future that will come to pass. Please show me the future that will come to pass. Please show me the future that will come to pass for Librans this week. Please show me the future that will come to pass for Librans. Sorry. Friends, you are going to be in so much stress. In future, you must, right now also you must be going through so much stress. There is a tower moment. Something major is happening in your life, and whosoever is guided to watch this meditation, this is just for them, that they have been guided to watch this video, because some tower moment is there and they are going through very much depression phase, and someone cheated also on them. Let's get some clarificatory cards. What happened to you? Why these cards are coming? Why these cards are coming? The overall energy. Emperor. See, someone is very authoritative in your life. Okay. Please give me clarification card for Seven of Swords that has come. One card please. One card please. Four of Pentacles. Four of Pentacles in reverse is that someone whosoever cheated on you, you are letting that person go. Okay. And this must have happened in the past. And please show me, clarify the Ace of Swords also. Please clarify the Ace of Swords also. Please clarify the Ace of Swords also. Why Ace of Swords is here? One card please. One card please. Ace of Swords. Ace of Swords. Why it is here? The Devil in reverse. My goodness. In the past, something like devilish energy. Someone was very like you have been cheated. You have been in very bad environment, and you cut it through. You just got out of it. Okay, you just got out of it, and right now also you are suffering the pain of it that happened. And universe supported you to cut this tie with a very devil kind of person. You must be in very love with that person. What happened? Why the Emperor is reversed here? This is the crowning that will come to pass. 3 of Cups in reverse. Either this could also indicate that there could be a third party situation, and this person, the person you were engaged in, wanted some benefit from you, like doesn't wanted to commit but wanted benefit from you, and you just said no, I'm not going to be in the third party relationship, I'm opting out of this. And this must have caused all these Tower moments and pain. Please clarify the Nine of Swords. The Lovers. Oh my God, two cards are in two deck. You're getting the same card, the Lovers. You are totally in love with that person. What kind of person is that? Please show me cards. Please show me the personality of the other person, the actual personality of the other person who Librans love. King of Swords is not as such a very bad person. He is a very authoritative also. But he is an authoritative person, but I don't find him to be a very bad person. Why the turmoil happened? Please clarify why. What is the reason behind this turmoil? What happened? What went through? Oh my God, Seven of Swords. These cards are really driving me crazy. These are just the same cards from the different deck. You have been cheated by this. The person you were in total, you were totally in love with that person. You were right now also. You are in future as well. You will be in love with that person, and you will regret many things. Oh my God. Okay. Please show me the hidden energy of that person. The other hidden. He has so many hidden energies. He must be thinking a lot about you, Librans. He must be thinking a lot about you. Please show me the hidden energy of the other person. Please show me the hidden energy of the other person. What he is hiding. What he is hiding. What this person is hiding. The Emperor. The Hierophant reversed. Bottom of the deck. He cannot offer you a commitment, although he is not that sort of bad person, although he must have done something very wrong with you, but inside his consciousness knows that he has done something wrong. He did it in the presence of some devil energy. Why did he went wrong? What happened? Why did he went wrong? What happened? Please give me one card. What happened? Why did he do what he did? Whatever he has done. Because of some money matter. I am also the Death reverse. Although this chapter is not closed from his side. He got scared. What I am getting inside of me is that he got scared. And just he stabbed you in the back, and now he'll feel that in the future what he has done, he'll feel that you was his wish fulfillment, and he stabbed you in the back. What a shameful thing he did. Advice for Librans. Please give me card. Just please give me advice for Librans. Ace of Wands. You are a very passionate person. You must be wanting to. You are so passionate and so in love with this person that you could want to forgive it, and let's do something. Let's begin it with new passion. But don't do that, because unless the other person respects you and treat you as a human being, Don't fall for only the just passionate affairs. You love him, and please respect the love that you have for him. Let him love you back. Let him know what he has done. Okay, take care, Librans, and let me know how whosoever resonated with this. Please let me know. I would like to know what happened. Something major happened here. You were deceived by a person who you loved. Bye for now. Please like and subscribe.